At like very early stage, people don't give you chances, but he's someone who is actually giving us chance.
What are you guys cooking?
Like you remember you came to Precision University, there I stood up and spoke to you regarding herbal
Herbal
brand.
pads.
Herbal pads.
Oh yes, and I told you how will a guy do this and all. I remember.
Exactly.
And that time you told us to hire some female founders and what female teams members. So we have done that at
क्या है आपका प्रोडक्ट?
biodegradable herbal infused sanitary pads.
आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है? How, where do you need assistance or help?
बेसिकली हम लोगों को प्रोडक्ट तो कुछ भी करके बन जाएगा. हम लोगों को
ये अर्बन इंडिया के लिए है कि ये पैन इंडिया के लिए है?
बेसिकली ये तो पैन इंडिया के लिए रहेगा.
ठीक है.
जो क्योंकि हमारे पास जो रिपोर्ट है टॉप 10 जो सैनिटरी पैड्स के कंपनीज हैं उनके जो टॉप 10 सेलिंग प्रोडक्ट्स है उनका एवरेज कॉस्ट ही 200 से 300 आता है. अवर प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट विल आल्सो बी अराउंड 250. तो इसके लिए वो पैन इंडिया जा सकता है क्योंकि जितने भी हैं वो सब टियर 1 से लेके रूरल अर्बन सब जगह प्रेजेंट है. तो वी कैन आल्सो गिव फॉर पैन इंडिया, नो इशू इन दैट. हम लोगों को ऐसा ब्रांड बनाना है जो हब से निकल के आया हो.
My input to you still is that why are you going after focus group? It's a complete waste of time. You're a startup. You need to be cocky and be sure कि यही problem है, इसको ऐसे ही solve करेंगे and इसको हम solve कर रहे हैं. You don't know your customer, so then what the fuck?
Like we've got enough data to start working on.
So start.
We wanted to अपन start तो कर ही रहे हैं.
तो पहले start करो ना.
Start हम करेंगे. Yes.
आज करो.
आज ही शाम का तो आज ही अपन इधर है.
If you start, you'll understand, bro. See, you're talking about focus group and all of that shit, right? I've gone into Claude. I'm using all my credits for you. And I've told it to create a focus group based on what it knows about women and give you the top 10 things that women would want for your product category. It'll give you one report. This report in the past would have taken you 3 months and you'd have had to spend 10 lakh rupees and go and ask real women. It's doing it for you. It's synthetic data. It's going to generate it and give it to you. I'll send it to you. It's very simple, bro. You want to do something, your heart is in it, you need to have the guts to just do it. Directly go and start marketing and start selling. Make it, sell it, make it, sell it, make it, sell it. If it doesn't sell, you suck, make it better. And then sell it better. That's all you have to do. Your product is so simple, it's a fucking pad, bro. It is a necessity product. Logo ko chahiye. What I'm trying to share with you is this is the bullshit part of building. The real part is actually building. Because everybody has it. If you've come here and you told me that you're really serious, you want to do this. So my only job is to tell you, shut the fuck up and go build. Like go and do it.
What did you guys expect you were going to get out of the meeting versus what you got?
We expected the truth and we actually got it.
What we wanted, we got it actually. Again, he had the same thing, just go and build it.
Yeah.
He is right in his stance.
So today only we are gonna start with
Whatever
the
he
building
has
part.
told today, we are going to do, and about the leap also, what he have informed to us, we are going to do.
Why do you believe in Azad?
Because we have seen him work, honestly.
His work and as a person, as a human being, he is such a truth person. जो वो बोलता है वो होता है ना. करने के लिए जो करने के लिए होता है ना वो करके रहता है.
Other places you go, they won't even listen to you. They won't give you your time. Reception में भगा देते हैं. But here, he is actually there to listen. At like very early stage, people don't give you chances. But he is someone who is actually giving us chance.
What do you have to say to people that are going to see your product?
तबाही.
तबाही और क्या ही.